Why was Bitcoin created? Is it just a digital currency for tech geeks or a financial revolution born from a global crisis? In this video, we're going to dive into the history and understand the real reason why Satoshi Nakamoto invented Bitcoin. Stick around until the end, because you'll see it's not just a story about technology, but a story about freedom. 1. The background, the 2008 crisis. In 2008, the world went through one of the biggest financial crises in history. Banks crashed, and governments bailed out financial institutions with taxpayer money. People lost trust. They saw that their money wasn't really safe. It was in this atmosphere of distrust that a revolutionary idea was born: to create a currency that didn't depend on any bank, any government, and that belonged to the people. Fun fact, in the first mined Bitcoin block, called the Genesis block, Satoshi Nakamoto left a hidden message: Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. This was a strong signal. Bitcoin is a direct answer to that failing system. 2. The goal: a decentralized currency. Unlike the euro or dollar, Bitcoin has no central bank deciding its value or printing it at will. It works on a blockchain, a public record shared by thousands of computers worldwide that validates every transaction. The result: no one can censor Bitcoin, stop it, or create more than planned. It's the first truly decentralized currency in history. 3. The end of trust. In the old system, we had to trust banks to hold our money, governments to manage currency, and middlemen to approve our payments. But history has shown that this trust is often broken. Bankruptcies, manipulation, inflation. Satoshi wanted to replace this shaky trust with a system based on math and cryptography. With Bitcoin, every transaction can be checked and can't be changed. It's not a bank's word, it's the certainty of math. 4. Programmed scarcity. Another key point: the supply of Bitcoin is limited to 21 million units. This means there can never be a money printing press like with the dollar or euro. This programmed scarcity makes Bitcoin a kind of digital gold. In a world where regular money loses value due to inflation, Bitcoin becomes a tool to keep your buying power over the long term. 5. A tool for financial freedom. Bitcoin lets you send money from person to person without going through a bank. It doesn't matter if you're in Paris, Libreville, or Buenos Aires. If you have internet, you can use Bitcoin. For millions of people in countries where banking systems are corrupt, unstable, or don't exist, Bitcoin is a real lifesaver. It's a global currency, open to everyone, no permission needed. 6. In short, why was Bitcoin created? To respond to the abuses of the banking system after the 2008 crisis, to give the world a currency independent of governments and banks, to replace shaky trust with a system based on technology and openness, to offer a rare store of value that resists inflation, and most importantly, to give people back control of their money. Conclusion: call to action. Bitcoin isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's an idea, a revolution, and most of all, a tool for financial freedom. It was created to remind us that money should belong to the people, not to institutions. What about you? Do you think Bitcoin has truly achieved its goal? Or is it still an ideal to build? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you better understand why Bitcoin exists, please give it a like, subscribe to the Crypto Savoir channel, and share this video with others. Because financial education is the key to our freedom.